We'll be teaching you how to journalize the issuance of bonds at a premium. Let's get into it. On the first day of a fiscal year, a company issues a $5,300,000 8% 5-year bond that pays semi-annual interest of $212,000, receiving cash of $5,520,390. Your job is to journalize the bond issuances. So first, let's put in the three accounts being affected in this problem, which in this case are cash, premium on bonds payable, and bonds payable. So firstly, cash. It is being affected as the company is receiving a payment for the bond from the investor, meaning the cash account is going up and as such must be debited. We know from the problem that the company is receiving cash of $5,520,390, so let's put that as the debit to the cash account. $5,520,390. Next, bonds payable. This account represents the legal liability the company now possesses to pay the investor. This account is always recorded at the face value of the bond, as this is the amount the company is legally required to pay back by maturity. Any difference between bonds payable and cash is resolved and reflected in the premium or discount accounts. As bonds payable is a liability account and it is increasing, it requires a credit. Luckily, we know the face value of the bond is $5,300,000, so we can put that as a credit to bonds payable. $5,300,000. Now, for the premium on bonds payable account. So this account is basically the opposite of the discount on bonds payable account. It occurs when the company is offering a higher interest rate than what the market is offering. The premium account is categorized as an adjunct liability account that adds to the carrying value of bonds payable to increase it to the market price the company received for their bond. As it is an adjunct liability account, it increases with a credit. To find the premium difference, all you have to do is subtract bonds payable from cash. For us, that'll be $5,520,390 minus $5,300,000, which comes out to a credit of $220,390. And there you go. You now know how to journalize the issuance of bonds at a premium. But I want to give you the chance to do it on your own. So I'm going to give you another problem. For problem 2, let's assume that on the first day of the fiscal year, a company issues a $7,600,000 8% 5-year bond that pays semi-annual interest of $304,000, receiving cash of $7,956,244. Your job is to once again journalize the bond issuance. Now, I would recommend pausing the video here and trying it out for yourself, and then seeing how you did. Now that you did or did not pause the video, I shall go over the problem myself. First, I'm going to put the three accounts being affected, which again are cash, premium on bonds payable, and bonds payable. For cash, we know the company is receiving $7,956,244, so let's put that as the debit for cash. $7,956,244. Secondly, we know that the face value of the bond is $7,600,000, so we can put that as the credit for bonds payable. $7,600,000. Finally, we know that to get the premium account balance, we must subtract bonds payable from cash. And for us, that'll be $7,956,244 minus $7,600,000, which comes out to a credit of $356,244. And there you go. You now know and have practiced how to journalize the issuance of bonds at a premium. If you ever want or need to refresh yourself on this topic, feel free to come back and watch the video on 2x speed. Thank you all for watching and have a wonderful day.